Take care. Blessings to you too. Enough love. All right. Well, thank you, Sharon. Are you still there?
Yes, I
Thank
am.
you. Thank you so much. I didn't realize that they were on. But I appreciate you showing us that. But Brother Tony's in studio. Brother Tony. Greetings, my brother.
Greetings.
How are you?
Not too bad today.
Okay, wonderful. So it was so fun talking to you yesterday. I mean, you had me cracking up about your experience with the miracle rub, all natural miracle fire rub. And so you just hold it up in your hand, you have the buckle, you know, let it go, you know.
Not leave it, not leave it.
You know, leave it. Let me take out the buckle too, right? Because I always have a buckle that I show as well. So tell the people then what on with you and this experience with this natural product.
Well, all right. My experience is a Lightpost Japan my foot.
Yeah, what the man said? Say it again, please.
Yeah, a Lightpost Japan my foot swell it big. It couldn't go into my clocks. And I have a Rasta friend who tell me about Jah Mikes way up in the hills. And say, so me have to bring it to Jah Mikes.
Yes.
So him bring me to Jah Mikes up in the hills. And Jah Mikes get the miracle fire up. And night my foot, then time their foot stay.
So it was Jah Mikes that night the foot for you? Or your brethren?
Jah Mikes himself.
Me never know Sir Jah Mikes when you tell me yesterday on the phone. I didn't realize that.
Foot 90.
And you know, so all the time we know Jah Mikes never night my foot yet.
Sure.
Just
rub out the pain.
Yes.
All right, and give me a buckle of the miracle fire rub. So I must bring it down. 1 week I use it morning and evening. And I can't believe it. The following week, my foot could go into my
Go back into your Clark's booty.
Probably love my Clarks. Can't believe it. Me two of them I saw them stay.
Couldn't move.
Couldn't move.
Wow.
Couldn't move, my lady. And I can encourage anyone to go to this thing.
Yes.
The miracle fire rub. Yard and abroad.
Yard and abroad. You're pushing yard and abroad now, because people overseas seeing you and hearing what you're saying about the miracle fire rub.
Respect. The miracle fire rub is very, very, very good.
So how long ago did this post drop on your foot?
2 years ago now.
2 years ago.
Yeah,
how long after that did you start using the miracle fire rub?
All right. Me use it, all right, from Jamaica, 90, as well, I said 90, the very first day when we go up there, properly and give me a battery, say I must bring down to 90. It 1 week, me use it after. I have a lot more leave when we can bring it and lend somebody and them use it.
You lend it?
Yes, and them use it and give me it back and say it help and me go back and lend her next daughter again.
The same buckle?
The same buckle, and she use it and set it. She get released same way. Well, me never get it back from the last person. I wouldn't tell her like
that.
I never get it back from the last person. She hold on on it and say, PN. You understand me?
Right.
And see me foot me right now.
It's in the clocks?
It's in the clocks. The clocks me wear.
Hey.
And it couldn't go in, so.
Yes.
But I encourage anyone to go to the Miracle Fire Road.
Right.
Yard and abroad.
Yard and abroad.
Canada, England, Africa, you name it.
Yes.
The Miracle Fire Road, it's going on very well.
Oh, give thanks.
Right, help me a lot.
Yes.
Help me a lot.
Yes. So you are not feeling any pain now?
No pain.
Now your toes are flexible all over again.
I don't want to take off the clocks inside the studio and see how the two of them are work. To be honest, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, man, we can't take it off, man. In the studio and show you how the two of them are sitting together.
Oh, gosh. Sharon, are you hearing this?
Miracle Fire Road, man.
Is Sharon still on?
I'm listening. Yes, I am.
Yes. I know you utilized it at one point as well when you had a little. What was it you had? Was it? I know you had some pain somewhere.
I had pain somewhere, and it's gone now. I don't remember where.
Yes.
Because I don't try to keep memory of pain.
Exactly. Burn out pain and run out pain. Burn out pain and run out pain.
And pain free.
Very good,
yeah.
Very
but
good.
But you hear, Brother Tony says a Lightpost drop on him.
Lightpost drop on
So
the
can you imagine?
That's when I tell the brethren when I help them if you go a doctor. Give me a money if you go public.
Yes.
And I saw the Rasta man introduced me to Jah Mikes up in the hills.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Yeah.
I just have to affirm everything that person is saying because I had my own personal experience years ago before it looked pretty now, have them fancy label and all them things. That when Jamaica just bring it to me in a big jar with the bush, the actual bush in there. And we can tell you say it works. It
works,
absolutely works.
If I can't say nothing else, I can say this.
It works. And so,
very, very good.
Yeah, at this time, you know, as we go through our Kwanzaa celebrations, which end on January 1, which we continue throughout the whole year, we're saying utilize the Marcus Garvey book that we just spoke about, and also give people gifts that they can benefit from.
Sure.
You know, that's how I look at it, you know. If you don't want to give something with somebody in a want and a like, give them something you know you can benefit from, like even the Miracle Fire Rub. Use this as a Kwanzaa gift.
Sure.
Use it as a Kwanzaa gift.
I said the last person that me give, she not give me it back.
Oh, yeah, that's Sharon.
I Virgin McGee, my rub, them feel some pain, and when we check him said, why it work? Elder, it work. I mean, I feel no pain, and so it give me it back, and from that, I mean, him no say him have no pain inside again.
Right.
And that's how me lend this lady.
Any part of your body.
Yeah.
You need to buy at least two of the Miracle Rub, because we may give one and it may not come back.
You can't just get one Miracle Rub. You buy two. Because
loan one. Excuse me, loan one, and it may
I want to say when Jamaica give me the buckle, you know, bring it on, you know. If he says all a month or whatever, I have to go forward.
Yes.
1 week.
1 week.
I mean, 2 weeks, one seal week. My teeth get up in the morning, 90. Get the evening, I go to my bed, and 90.
Again, yeah.
1 week.
Wow.
I see me two of them in my class.
Yeah. And I really want to, you know, at the end of the year, as we approach the new year, say, you know, commendations and lots of love and blessings to Jamaica and his family and his business.
At all times.
Because he's just humbly going through this Miracle Rub. Humble.
At all times.
And doing some major work. If you go on TikTok, you can see clients also giving their personal testimonies.
Sure.
And so, you know, to be blessed with a product like this that and he's sharing with us, and to do it so humbly, we really want to say, yeah, man, blessed love to you and your company.
And I want to share my lady, even when time with Rasta introduced me to Jamaica, you know, I never have no money at the time, you know, to be honest, you know, and they do it for me for free at cost at the time.
Wow.
I may appreciate for that.
Yes.
Understand me?
Sharon, you were saying that you want me to bring, you want one?
Yes.
Okay.
I'd like to go into the new year.
All right. Yes. I'll see you on the weekend, so I'll make sure I bring one for you as well. So see that, Jamaica, you have any more Jamaica? Because I know he said he was out of labels. Yeah, because I'm going to a country, and they St. Thomas, and I know there are people out there that are probably going to want as well. Yeah. And Sharon is already gone, and then I'd ordered 2 for my brethren in England. So, yeah, man, it's all about promotion of this. Can you give us a phone number? The contact number, Jamaica? Or is it, Tony, you have the number on there? Let me see. If I have the number. I probably have to go into my, here it is. All right, so you can call manufactured by Miracle Forces. All right, that's one.